Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by capturing the YouTube audio and bringing it onto your computer. You need a local MP3 or AAC file because iPhone ringtones can't reference streaming sources. Once done, open iTunes or Finder and sign into your Apple ID so transfers are allowed. Next, trim the clip to 30 seconds or under, that's the iPhone ringtone limit, and save the exact start and stop times. This prepares the file for conversion and prevents having to redo edits later. Now you convert the trimmed audio into a ringtone format. Import the file into iTunes or Finder. If needed, export or convert to AAC format, then create an AAC version. Once you have the AAC, change the file extension to M4R and ensure the file name is simple. If you prefer on-device work, import the same trimmed file into GarageBand's audio recorder, place it in a ringtone-length track, then export ringtone. Either path yields a M4R ringtone ready to finish by putting the ringtone on your iPhone and selecting it. If you used Finder or iTunes, connect your iPhone, drag the M4R into tones, then sync. Once synced, go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics Ringtone and choose your new tone. If it doesn't appear, restart your iPhone and reconnect. Make sure sync permissions and Apple ID match. If you used GarageBand and export failed, make sure the clip is under 30 seconds in a supported format, and that file's app access is enabled.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.